In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear cache in Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if your browser is running slow, websites aren't loading properly, or changes aren't showing up. Let's begin. Now, you want to make sure to open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, also called the menu button. Now, from the drop-down menu, I want you to hover to the settings, and here, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the privacy and settings. Now, scroll down until you see the cookies and site data section, which is going to be this one. Here, you have many options. All right, you can, of course, clear the browsing data if you want. And you can choose the duration. Is it going to be like the last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours? Or if you are sure, unless you mean it, click everything. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to choose the last hour for now. You also have the option to delete the browsing and download history, cookies and site data, temporary cached files, and pages, which is consuming so much information and file in your computer memory. It's all of that. Okay, so once you are sure about it, all right, I'm gonna uncheck this one. I'm just gonna delete the temporary cache. Click the clear button. It's super simple. All right. As you can see, what happened was you've cleared 24.3 MB of disk space. All right. You can also leave the cookies and site data if you want to log out of websites. So I'm not going to do that right now, but basically that's how you clear cache here in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.